As I promised in the last lecture, I will show you how to install the script of the affiliate network on your blog. That way, the affiliate network will identify merchant's product based on the content on your blog. It's a smart way of getting commissions from the content that you share on your blog. So you want to click on Manage, Install, and you will be here on this page. Now, here is the code or the script that you want to install in your blog. You just need to click on Copy. If you want some help, they've included a step-by-step guide on how to install it on different platforms. If you're using, for example, WordPress, there is a plugin for that. If you're using other platforms, they show you in a step-by-step guide how to do that. But for us, we're just going to copy this code and we're going to insert it on our blog just before the closing body tag. So go to Blogger and click on Theme, then choose Edit HTML. Don't worry if you are not a programmer or if you don't have knowledge about the HTML. We're just going to copy paste the code on a web page. Scroll down to the end of your HTML code and remember that they said that the code should be inserted just before the closing body tag. It's here. You can see here the closing body tag. Or if you have difficulties finding this closing tag, just click somewhere here in the box and click Ctrl F. Then type /body and hit enter. That way you can find it automatically because the browser will highlight it here, as you can see. Now close this box and hit enter. At the beginning of the line, you can hit enter multiple times. This will not affect your web page, and just paste the code here and click save. That way you just installed the affiliate script on your blog, and that's it. Now you're ready to start making commissions from your affiliate account. Thanks for watching, and